Morning and Chinese students. I am Kanchan, your history teacher. Here I have taken the chapter in the earliest cities. So in my previous video, I have told you about Mohenjo-daro and Harappa civilization. So Harappa civilization, civilization, or you can say Harappa and Mohenjo-daro cities, they had been about 4,700 years ago. Then I told you about the construction pattern of these cities. So these cities were having two type of construction pattern. First was these had two parts. One part that was to the west direction. It was smaller but higher. तो whatever the smaller and higher, मतलब जो smaller था, छोटा था, लेकिन higher था, ऊंचा था, that part was called citadel. और जो दूसरा part था वो ईस्ट डायरेक्शन की तरफ था, ईस्ट तरफ था, और वो पार्ट जो था वो लोअर टाउन कहा जाता था. और ये पार्ट जो है बड़ा था, लार्ज था, बट लोअर था. तो सिटेडल हायर पार्ट को कहते थे, और जो लोअर पार्ट था टू द ईस्ट डायरेक्शन उसको लोअर पार्ट कहते थे. फिर यू हैव कम टू नो दैट मोहनजोदारो में एक स्पेशल ग्रेट बाथ मिला है, वेयर दे यूज्ड to bath on the special occasions. So what is the special about this great bath? Because this great bath was very skillfully it has been built. बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से इसको बनाया गया था. And bricks had been plastered also well, and it was tied with a layer of natural tar, ताकि जो पानी है, वाटर है, that cannot be drained. So it was very well constructed. Now it was supposed that water was taken from the well, because as today's we have submersible, we have tube well. It was not, these things were not in those days. So well was used to fill the water in the great bath. Again, I told also that fire altars have been taken there. Fire altars have been taken there in Kalibangan and Lothal cities. So fire altars का मतलब sacrifice. When we people used to यज्ञ हवन, it is sacrifice. इसमें घी and कुछ sticks होती हैं, जैसे मैंगो स्टिक्स आर देयर, और उसमें कुछ मीठा होता है, उसको डाल करके वी जस्ट परफॉर्म हवन यज्ञ, दैट इज कॉल्ड सैक्रिफाइस. सो दिस प्लेस हैज बीन फाउंड देयर इन कालीबंगन एंड लोथल. इसका मतलब है कि लोग वहाँ पे सैक्रिफाइसेस करते थे, यज्ञ हवन भी किया करते थे, बिकॉज फायर अल्टर्स हैव बीन found in Mohenjo-daro and Harappa and Lothal, right? So here next thing is there about houses and drains and street. Houses were well constructed and in a well planned way. Drains were also covered, and they had been having channels to means holes, channel holes to make it clean, and having gentle slope. So we can say that Harappa civilization was very well in this way, because houses were in a very well mannered way, in a very planned way, okay, and drains were also covered, and they had channel holes for inspection holes for cleaning it and having gentle slope. Next it is about drain system, and everywhere wells were there to provide water. Clear? पानी के लिए वहाँ पे wells थे, कुएं थे. Now here next is their life in the cities. So life in the city means Harappa city was a very busy place. It was very busy place, and rulers were there, and rulers were sent their men to the distant land to just take precious stones, gold, silver, these type of costly valuable things. तो वो राजा जो होते थे अपने लोगों को भेजते थे वैल्यूएबल ऑब्जेक्ट्स को ढूंढने के लिए, लाइक ऑर्नामेंट्स ऑफ गोल्ड, सिल्वर एंड ब्यूटीफुल बीड्स फॉर देमसेल्व्स. And next thing is their scribes. So scribes were there who could read and write. What was the work of scribes? So scribes वो लोग होते थे जो लिख पढ़ सकते थे, and those would work for kings also, because kings and businessmen, because they would write on the seals, because seals we use in बिजनेस पर्पस, फॉर बिजनेस पर्पस, क्योंकि सील माने मुहर उसको यूज करते हैं बिजनेस पर्पस के लिए, फॉर वी कैन से फॉर ट्रेड पर्पस. सो सील के ऊपर जो लिखा जाता था दैट वाज डन बाय स्क्राइब्स, एंड ऑल्सो स्क्राइब्स वुड मेक रिकॉर्ड्स for their rulers. Next thing, crafts persons were there. Many skilled persons were there who would make jewelries, who would make weapons, tools. So and also terracotta toys also have been found here. So I can show you here in this book. See here, terracotta toys were found. So we can say that Harappa civilization, Harappa cities were having toys and also so many jewelries, and they had also used metals like bronze, copper, gold and silver, and also they had made ornaments, jewelries with beads and pearls, and also of the metal like gold and silver. Okay, and also maybe they are bronze and copper. So next thing is there, cotton was also found there. Cotton was probably grown at Mehergarh before 7,000 years ago, and where it was found to the lid of a silver vase. मतलब ये किसी silver vase के lid means ढक्कन में लगा हुआ था to make it tight. So cotton was found there at Mehergarh, and it is believed that before 7,000 cotton was grown there at Mehergarh. So Harappa people, they also used cotton. And one thing I want to tell you that Harappa and Mohenjo-daro is now cities, they were in Pakistan, and because in before times Pakistan was also in India, but it is not in India, it is in Pakistan. Whenever you will locate Harappa, you will have to locate it in Pakistan, not in India, because here we can see Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, these cities are in Pakistan area. Okay, now many of these things were produced by probably one thing, ornaments and tools and weapons, clothes. So these things were produced, these things were made by the specialists who are called specialists, who are perfect in their work, they are called specialists. So only specialists would do work for that. So here like cutting stone and polishing beads, carving seals, because carving seals also was done by scribes, because they knew very well what to write, how to write, and this must have been the work of an expert craftsperson. Not everybody could have been a specialist. We don't know whether men were specialists or women were specialists, or both were specialists. We don't know, but it was done by specialists. Now here is one thing more, fans. Fans is an artificial stone that was found there. It is not natural, and it was made in those days by using gum with sand or powder to shape. What did they do? They just took glue, gum and sand or powder, they mixed it and they would create a shape, and it would be shiny, glassy, having shiny and glassy surface. तो ये आर्टिफिशियल स्टोन होता था जिसको ग्लू और सैंड या फिर पाउडर को मिक्स करके बनाते थे और उसको शेप देते थे, एंड इट वाज शाइनी एंड इट वाज स्मूदी. मे बी विद एनी ट्रिक दे वुड मेक इट शाइनी एंड स्मूदी, and it was mostly in green color or sea green color and blue color. So it is about that. And not every, okay, in search of raw materials. Raw materials are that materials through which any skilled person makes anything in a very fine way, right? So जिसको कच्चा माल कहते हैं, raw material. Okay. So raw materials are substances that are either found naturally, these are also found naturally, or produced by farmers or herders. These are then processed to produce finished goods. For example, cotton produced by farmers is a raw material that may be produced to make cloth. Because before making cloth, it is very, very essential to have cotton, cotton. Because without cotton, we can't make cloth. And while some of the raw materials that the Harappa used were available locally, many items such as copper, tin, gold, and through copper, tin, gold, silver, through these metals, they would have made, or we can say they had made jewelries, weapons, tools, and they had brought from distant land. These metals they had brought from distant land. As the Harappa probably got copper. Copper को कहाँ से लाए होंगे वो लोग? राजस्थान से, and even from Oman in West Asia. Tin, which was mixed with copper to produce bronze, may have been brought from at the present day Afghanistan, और gold वो कर्नाटक से लाए होंगे, and then precious stones from present day Gujarat, Iran and Afghanistan. So okay students, other topics I will take in my next video. Till then, read it, watch it, this video, and enjoy. You have learned about these things, about Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, and about Lothal, Kalibangan, and jewelries, weapons, and terracotta toys, and about house construction and drainage system. Okay, thank you and Jai Hind.